It's 7 a.m. and it's super cold and I'm still making this. Dun 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 dun. Mm, eh. Good morning, everyone. Come on, get up. Come on, you guys. Ray, hello. Ray. Ray. What do you want? This is 7 a.m. You should get up. No, thank you. Oh, please. Hey, you good there? Your face is pretty red. I'm fine. Are you sure? Yes, I am. No. Okay. Uh, Look, I will go before I get any disease from you. I'm not sick. Yeah, sure, and I'm a clown. See, I told the truth. You fucking. Whatever. I'm going to search mom. Go ahead, I don't care. You will, because I'm going to tell her that you are sick. What? No, don't you dare. Why not? Because one, I'm not sick. Second of all, why does she has to know about this? You are her son. Okay, and? Ray, you are a fucking idiot. Ugh. Or should I just call listener? No, I do that myself. Oh, so you get out of bed finally. All I have to say is listener, okay. Good to know. I swear to God, I'm going to kill you one day. Excuse me? Nothing. Listener, hello, wait. I am so sorry, but I have to put this thing on your back. I'm so sorry. Yeah. No, you made me sick. Yes, you did. Oh, I don't know. Maybe that yesterday we were standing in the rain just because of you. What do you mean it was my fault? It wasn't. I had to stand in the rain with you because otherwise you would have stayed there by yourself and I would have been the one who gets the shout and the anger from mom. So I basically saved your ass. Be happy. Never going to do that again. No, I'm going to go after you and blame you the whole day. Yeah, this is my plan for today. But don't you dare to tell mom that I'm sick, okay? Why? Because then I will tell her that it's your fault, that you made me sick. And what you will get for that is won't be good for neither to me or neither to you. So how is it gonna be? Great. Oh, and not that I will follow you all day. I remember that I promised you that I'm going to cling on you and make you sick too. So get over here. Nope, nope, nope. You're not fast enough for that, you know? Stop squirming. It's not that bad, Jesus. Now come on, we're going back to the bedroom. Why? Because I'm on the edge of fainting. I'm obviously not good, but who cares? Now come on. Let's go. I don't care about breakfast. Oh, well, you can eat it later. Yes, you can. No, mom won't throw out your food. That's what Emma tells people when they don't want to eat. Nothing's gonna happen to your precious little food. Now come on. Go on, lay down. I told you it was a bad idea. You didn't listen to me. It was your fault. Oh, so now you're complaining about all this. Please. Like I said, it was your fault. No, stop. You know this won't get you anywhere. So stop it. I'm fine, don't worry about it. No, it's a normal thing from a sick person. Just leave it be. No, I don't need to drink anything. Just let me sleep for a while, please. Huh? What did you say? Now you understand why Emma put me on your back? Well, obviously, because she knew it was your fault. Excuse me? If I'm hard to handle, then what are you? You should see yourself when you're sick. Shut up, you're not gonna get rid of me for a while. By the way, do you know how can you make someone sick under like 2 seconds? Do you know what the best way to do it? No, not exactly standing in the rain, but you're getting there. Well, I know what it is, and I'm going to do it on you, and you can't do shit about it. Now, stay still. There we go. Now, I'm not the only sick person here. But, are you surprised that I kissed you? It's not that big of a deal. Now, I'm going to sleep, and you will stay here. Good night.